What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to do a quick little trade breakdown of my GBP US dollar sell alert that I put out for my private members in my VIP Telegram. Today was not a great day. It could have been a lot better today, but unfortunately, market kind of was all over the place today. It wasn't really good. 2,900 bucks. I decided to go half size. Normally, I like to take 50 lots. I took 25 lots of GBP US dollar, made 2,900 bucks. At one point, I was up like $5,000 in profit. But if I took 50 lots, I mean, obviously, I would have been anywhere from six to $10,000 in profit. But I knew I needed to reduce my size, and it's best to reduce your size when you're unsure of the market. So if you're not sure how the market's going to be, that's why each week I like to start off with like basically test the waters, right? It's like going swimming, right? Do you just dive right in, not knowing if it's really cold, or do you kind of like just dip your toes in a little bit? So that's like what I like to do. I like to dip my toes in a little bit to kind of get a feel of everything. NOS 100 signal today should have been a banger for sure. I got stopped out of this one right away for break even. I made no fucking money on this one, and I had no loss. But thankfully, I mean, it could have been really, really bad. Um, Obviously, we had a nice little push up, pull back. So I was watching for another push up towards this moving average. And when the market actually opened, it was all over the map. Like I got filled, it pushed up, I adjusted my stop loss, and then just all of a sudden just it yanked back really, really hard. I was like, what the fuck? And then the next 15 minutes, it did open, it pulled back a little bit, pushed up, hit basically, you could have jumped in again, but it hit my take profit one. And then this 15-minute candle opened and it just massive rip blew past all those areas of take profits, right? It blew past all those areas of take profits, which was extremely frustrating because basically what it did right here, guys, what it did right there is what I wanted to do right here when the market opened. It didn't do that, unfortunately. And if you actually look at the bigger picture here, this is what's really, really frustrating. Oh my God, is that like I said, the trade was right. I mean, it just wasn't ready right then and there. It needed time to basically do its thing. Because look at this thing. This thing's still fucking going. Oh my God, this thing, nice little push up, pull back, nice little push up again, pull back, nice little put. It's still ramping up. I was like, oh my God. So it is what it is. So that was that trade, and then I was watching. I put the signal out. Um, GBP US dollar for 1.12819. That's the trade that I ended up taking. I knew I wanted to go half size, so I took 25 lots, selling right here as the same 1.2 1.12819. Basically closed out at 1.12702. This one, what was nice about this one is that this one basically we had a really, really nice squeeze up. Nice squeeze up. We're hitting basically a little bit of a resistance area along the top, and I wanted to see a strong, heavy pullback to, basically definitely take profit one. 1.12690, definitely TP1, and this one, this one did pull back. This one pulled back very, very strong. Started pulling back here really nice, and then boom, hit that take profit one. It did pull back a little bit more, but again, it ended up ripping up, and I ended up getting out of it just for small profit. Nothing too crazy. I'll pull it up here on the big chart. Yeah, nothing too crazy. It did, like I said, it did rip up high because, like I said, we had a big massive push up with that pull back. Because see, you can see right here, this was that resistance area, guys. That right there. So in theory, that's what I wanted to see happen because you could see basically right here is that we had this nice massive push up, right? And then boom, we had a big massive drop. So basically that's what I was watching right here. I was wanting to see this, right? So hopefully you guys are learning from this. I wanted to basically see this one become a resistance area right there. Okay. And obviously I wanted a little bit of a strong, heavier pullback, right? I want a little bit more of a strong, heavier pullback than what we basically what we were well, basically what we got. But like I said, it is what it is. This was the resistance area that I was basically watching, and in theory, I wanted a bigger drop. But again, it's like I said, it is what it is. It's no big deal. You just gotta learn to take profit. Nobody ever went broke taking profits. So anyways, that's it for this video. Hopefully it helps and educates you guys in some shape, way, and form. I do enjoy making these trade recap YouTube videos, talk about, my US 30 trades, my NAS 100, the Forex pairs. I was having a call. I had a talk with one of my students today, and we were just talking about the stock market, and the Forex market, and just how the Forex market is just, it's nice. It's nice because I'm only watching, these Forex pairs each and every single day. Everything, I could do this 24 hours a day. I could trade gold. I mean, right now, if I wanted to, I could jump in, basically gold if I wanted to. I could trade this one right now. I could jump in this trade right now at like 7:30 o'clock at 7:30 at night. If it's depending what I think it's going to do. I actually suck at trading gold, by the way, so I would probably wouldn't trade gold. I feel like once I get better, I feel like once I really master gold, then I mean I feel like it'd be off to the races because I know some guys that make a lot of money trading it. So it's just it's one of those things I'm still getting better at. Practice makes perfect each and every single day. So hopefully this video helps and educates you guys in some shape, way, or form. It was a light day, but again, I always tell everyone, nobody ever broke taking profits. Hopefully you like the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. As always, guys, let's have a wonderful day. Cheers.